Okay, what I'm going to do in this session is how we create a new user for an account. In this case, I'm logged in as the ATT Williams administrator, and what I want to do is create a new user ID at the department level that will be used to create all of the assets and manage the events. And it's always best to use an ID at the lowest level in that hierarchy as possible. And that hierarchy again is there's a system administrator for the top level for the whole EMS. There are super users who can really work at the account level. There are administrators that work at an organization level. And there are manager accounts which basically work at the department level. Below a manager is actually a basic user, and those are typically just for individuals that need access to a single event or something along those lines. So to create a new user, what I'm going to do is go to Systems Management, I'm going to go to Users, and I'm going to go to New. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an ATT Williams. I don't want admin, but I'm going to do Williams Manager. I'm going to make the password ATT Williams PW, and I'm going to make the first name manager, and I'm going to make the last name ATT Williams. Again, because this is going to be a generic account, it's not being assigned to a specific user. And as that, I'm going to go ahead and put my own email address in on it and my own phone, just because it's just going to be a shared ID. Now I need to assign it to an organization, and I assign it to the ATT Williams organization. I then need to assign it to a department. I'm going to assign it to the ATT Williams marketing department. And then I'm going to select the role, and notice that the only roles that I can provide are the ones that I have authority to provide. And in this case, I could make another administrator, a manager, or a basic user. So in this case, I'm going to make a manager. Then I'm going to give it the authorities. In this case, I'm actually going to give this manager ID full access to all of the library elements, the ability to create, update, delete, take control of things. I'm going to give this ID the full ability to build templates, to publish events, build catalogs, and manage catalogs. Full event administration, registration management capabilities, ability to upload and manage images, the ability to create links. And down here it doesn't really matter. I don't want this person creating any other departments or users. I really want that left for the admin ID, but I will give this individual the ability to view logs, because that's always good in a diagnostic standpoint. And then I click Add User. Okay, so now I have two users in this account, the ATT Williams Manager and the ATT Williams Admin. To test things, I'm going to go ahead and log off, and then I'm going to log in using the ATT Williams Manager account, just to make sure everything is working. And that is working. That's how we create accounts there. So that's the end of this session.